So here in IBM Connections, I'm in the marketing forum and I am logged in as Gardner Rains, and my colleague Frank Adams has said that he'll provide some material regarding the social media trends that we're looking for, but he's actually taken quite a long time. So we're going to reply to our colleague and we're going to post a negative comment. And we're going to post that. So that is now going to, of course, be posted on the forum, but it's also going to send an email alert to Gardener's Manager, and it'll also be available in SMC4, which captures not only social media messages, but also connections messages. And so here in Lotus Notes, you can see that I have received an email notification that a negative comment has been made on connections, who the post is by, and what the post actually was. So a number of actions that can be taken. You could then, same time, the HR manager, you could go into SMC4 and actually go and see the original message and start creating a case if this is a series of messages that you wanted to monitor. Connections, we're now logged in as a different user, Frank Adams, and Frank is going to respond to one of the status updates from one of his colleagues. So I'm just going to post this. And what this is going to generate is, because it's a profanity, it uses the profanity dictionaries in SMC4, which are used not only for social media but also for IBM Connections. So it will generate an auto response and it will alert their manager. Refresh the page and we should see the automated response that's come through. Here we go. Warning, please refrain from using inappropriate language on this site. If we just jump into our email, we'll also see here that we've also received an email alert about the profanity used, again, who the user is and actually the language that they've used. So here we are in SMC4, and I want to just show you on the Active tab all messages that contain profanity, whether it's via social media or IBM Connections, come through to me. And if I just click View All on the last message that we saw was posted and alerted, we can see here the profanity that's contained within it and the auto response that went back to the user. I'm now going to show you how you can go and view the original messages in FileNet, which sits under the covers of SMC4. So we're going to jump to the Administration tab, and here on the bottom right we've got a place called Message Store. So we're just going to log in to the Message Store. Message Store, which is FileNet, we set up a search, which is a connection search for all connections messages, and we'll be able to see here the last messages incoming and outbound into SMC4 and FileNet. So the message I'm just going to highlight is the message that contained profanity. You can see it shows the original message, it shows properties of that message, and then it's also showing all the different actions on that message as well under the Data tab.